Welcome to OpenAI ChatGPT and Nana's Easy AI. ChatGPT is an AI tool made by OpenAI, and it has become one of the most popular and widely used AI tools in the world. There are lots of AI tools, but today's video is a very special one because we are going to explore ChatGPT together. Before we begin, let me show you how to get to ChatGPT safely. Open your internet browser like Chrome or Safari. Type chatgpt.com directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. It's safe and simple way that will take you to the official ChatGPT website by OpenAI. If you already have an account, click Login. If you are brand new, click Sign Up and follow the steps to create a free account. You can use your Google account to make signing in easier. Watch my How to Create Google Account video if you need help. Once you sign in, you'll arrive at the main ChatGPT screen we are using today. What it is, what all these buttons do, and how to actually use it in real life. If you've ever opened ChatGPT and thought, what am I even looking at? Don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through it slowly and simply, just like sitting together at the kitchen table. No stress, no complicated jargon. If I can do it, you can too. First things first, ChatGPT is like having a very patient digital helper. You can type questions, talk to it, upload pictures, ask it to explain things, help write messages, help understand mail, plan meals, or even help you learn technology step by step. And the nice thing? It never gets tired of questions. You don't need perfect typing. You don't need computer skills. You simply talk to it like a person. Here, I asked ChatGPT, can you introduce yourself to my viewers?
Absolutely. Here we go. Hi, Nana and friends. I'm ChatGPT. I'm an AI assistant created by OpenAI. I can help answer questions, explain things in simple language, write letters, help with recipes, summarize information, and even help you learn technology step by step. You can type to me, talk to me with your voice, or upload photos and documents for help reading or understanding them. Think of me like a helper sitting beside you.
Are you patient?
I'm here to help at your pace. Whether it takes 1 minute or a few tries, I'm all about making things clear and comfortable. So no rush. Just let me know how I can help next.
Let's have a tour of the screen when you visit the site. This is the most important area. This is where you type your question. You can type things like, explain Medicare in simple English. Help me write a birthday card. What does this letter mean? Plan dinner with chicken and rice. Then press Enter or click the Send button. Plus button. This button lets you upload things so AI can see what you're talking about. You can upload pictures, letters, recipes, screenshots, documents. The microphone button, this lets you talk instead of type. Just tap and talk, then it types for you. This is wonderful if typing is hard, your hands hurt, or you simply prefer speaking. This circle is called Live. Just like phone, you can talk back and forth with ChatGPT. It depends on your device and free versus paid plan. You may not have this option. Here, you have choice of which mode you want, mostly instant, unless you need serious research. Then thinking mode, top right, the dotted circle is temporary chat. It's like a private conversation mode. ChatGPT does not remember the conversation later. The chat usually does not appear in your history. It's useful for sensitive questions, temporary ideas you do not want saved. Now, the sidebar. If it's hiding, tap here to show and hide. New Chat button. This starts a fresh conversation, especially when changing topics. For example, one chat for recipes, one chat for tech, help one chat for gardening. You can have a back and forth conversation, either you type or talking. This side area saves your previous conversations, search chats, and recent chats. So if you worked on recipes yesterday, a letter last week, or vacation ideas earlier, you can come back later. It's kind of like saved notebooks. Any important chat you want to remember? Tap this, then that chat comes to the top and easy to see later. What ChatGPT is good at? Here are some things ChatGPT is really good at: explaining things simply, especially confusing things, reading hard to read text, tiny print, faded letters, paperwork, writing help cards, emails, Facebook posts, brainstorming ideas, recipes, gardening, travel, hobbies, technology help phones, iPads, computers, apps, learning. You can ask, explain this like I'm brand new. And honestly, that's what I do all the time. Now, friends, this is important. ChatGPT is smart, but it is not perfect. Sometimes AI can make mistakes, so don't trust it for medical emergencies. Don't share bank passwords. Don't give private personal information. Think of it like a helpful assistant, not a doctor or lawyer. Always double check important information. Well, friends, that's ChatGPT in plain English. And honestly, the best way to learn is simply to start using it. You do not need to know everything today. Just ask one question at a time. That's exactly how I learned too. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share Nana's Easy AI with someone who might feel nervous about technology. Thank you for watching, and God bless.
Learning